Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by opening the app console and picking a garden slot. This gives you direct control. Once done, verify available water and space so you don't waste seeds. Then choose the seed type and inspect its growth time and sunlight percentage. This matters because faster crops need different care. You'll see quick action buttons for plant, water, and soil tests. Press them in order to begin planting now and monitor progress from the console dashboard. You now manage growth using the console controls. Water first, then fertilize and prune as needed. This order prevents nutrient lock. Make sure to run a soil test from the console and adjust pH using the recommended items. This optimizes nutrient uptake. Once you've set actions, watch the growth bar and enable notifications at 10% increments so you never miss a crucial step. Also, use tool cooldown indicators to plan multiple beds efficiently and stagger tasks across minutes or hours. You finish by harvesting at 100% progress and claiming rewards to free the slot for the next cycle. If plants start to droop, apply a quick revive or increase water by 0.5 units and check for pests. Early intervention saves crops. Make sure to reset the console cache or relog if actions lag, because server desync causes missed commands. If that doesn't fix it, toggle airplane mode, briefly then reconnect to
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.